What if I told you that some of the best programmers in the world did not learn coding in university? Many of them learned it online for free. And today, there are platforms where you can start learning coding right now, even if you know absolutely nothing about programming. No experience, no expensive degree, just a laptop and curiosity. But here's the problem. There are hundreds of websites claiming they can teach you coding. Some are amazing, some are terrible. And if you pick the wrong one, you might waste months of your time. So in this video, I'll show you some of the best platforms in the world to learn coding online. Let's start. Coding is becoming one of the most valuable skills in the world. Apps, websites, games, artificial intelligence, all of these are built with code. And here's the crazy part. The demand for programmers is growing every single year, which means learning coding today could completely change your future. But the big question is, where should you start? Let's look at some of the best platforms. The first platform is Codecademy, and this one is perfect for beginners. Instead of just watching videos, you write real code directly in your browser. That means you learn by doing, not just listening. You can start with Python, JavaScript, HTML, CSS. The lessons are short and interactive. It feels almost like playing a game while learning coding. Now let's talk about a platform that millions of people love, Free Codecamp. This platform is famous because it offers thousands of hours of coding lessons completely free. You can learn web development, JavaScript, APIs, data structures. And here's the best part. You don't just watch tutorials. You build real projects that you can add to your portfolio. Next, we have Coursera. This platform partners with top universities and companies. That means you can take courses from places like Google, IBM, Stanford. Some courses are paid, but many can be taken for free. And if you complete them, you can even get certificates to show your skills. Another extremely popular platform is Udemy. Udemy has thousands of coding courses. Some are beginner-friendly, some teach advanced skills like machine learning, game development, mobile apps. Courses often go on sale for very low prices, so you can learn powerful skills without spending a lot. One of the biggest coding schools in the world is actually YouTube. Thousands of developers share full courses for free, entire programming boot camps, complete tutorials. If you search the right way, you can learn almost anything. The key is staying consistent. The platform you choose is not the most important thing. The most important thing is practice. The best programmers did not become great by watching videos. They became great by building things. Small apps, simple websites, tiny projects. Every project improves your skills. Learning coding today is easier than ever. You don't need expensive schools. You don't need a computer science degree. All you need is curiosity, consistency, and the right platform. Start small, keep practicing, and who knows, the next app the world uses every day might be built by you. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more tech and learning videos. Comment below, "I'm learning coding," and watch the next video about how to learn coding faster. Your coding journey starts today.